52. In Matthew chapter 14, Jesus does something simply miraculous. With just 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread, he feeds over 5,000 people. Many of us are praying to God for him to bless us. But just like Jesus performing this miracle, it starts with what's in your hands. What do you have that God can multiply? You may be praying for financial increase. Do you have a company where God can send people to you? Do you have education and the requirements you need to possibly get a promotion? You may be praying for joy in your life. Have you smiled? Have you made yourself approachable? Some of you may be praying for a spouse. Are you spouse material so that when God sends you the blessing, it will last? Many of us are praying for things, not understanding that they won't simply come out of thin air, but God is looking to increase what's in your hands. So ask yourself, Group 52, what you're praying for, the desires of your heart, what's on your prayer list. Do you have anything that coincides with it, where God can send people to you, where he can bless and multiply that thing in your hands? Thank you, Group 52. Take a good look at what God has already given you to work with and the desires of your heart, and have the best week of your life.